Do you have a Disney Hotstar subscription, but you can't figure out how to watch it on your TV? It can be frustrating trying to connect your mobile subscription, but don't worry, I got you covered. So you don't need to miss out on another favorite movie or show or sports event. Stay with me. You're going to soon be enjoying Disney Hotstar on the big screen. So here are 5 simple ways to make it happen. So number 1, using Chromecast. So you're going to plug the Chromecast into your TV, open Disney Hotstar on your phone, and cast the screen to your TV. Number 2, screen mirroring. If you have a smart TV, use your phone's screen mirroring option to share what's on your phone to the TV. Number 3, using a HDMI cable. So connect your phone to your TV with a simple HDMI adapter and watch content on the big screen. Number 4, using Apple TV. If you have an Apple TV, you can use AirPlay to stream Disney Hotstar content directly to your TV. Number 5 is Roku. Simply link your Disney Hotstar account with Roku and watch your favorite shows. Now that you know how easy it is, don't wait. Get your TV set up and enjoy. And if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, comment for more stuff like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.